Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about Postgres SQL queries, and especially we'll focus on select query today. Now if you remember the previous video where we discussed about creating ER diagram in Lucidchart, and then we got the table creation script there. Now one modification what I did here is, if you remember here in previous script we had double quotes in all the table names. So if I'm keeping double quotes in the table name, then while selecting these tables I had to pass double quotes, which was not looking nice. So I removed these double quotes and created all these tables again. So here you see department without double quotes, employee without double quotes. So now when I have to select these tables, it will be like select star from public dot address. So earlier it was like double quote address, something like this, because while creating the table itself we had given double quotes. So I just removed those things and recreated this table. So that is the one correction what I did from previous video. Now before we start with select query, just one simple thing is, you might be curious that why should we store data in tables or in database, why should we store it? We can keep it in a flat file, or we can keep it in Excel. The reason is, let's say you have 1 million record. Here I have employee table and I have 1 million employees. Now if I will keep those data in flat file, it's okay, I can keep it here. But the problem is retrieval of this data will be very difficult. If I wanted to know that how many people I have with skill set as Python, it will take too much time to see in this text file and find out that okay, these many people has Python skill. Now same data if I will keep in Excel, it will be little bit nicer than text file, where I can do the filter, I can create pivot tables where I can see and do some analytics. But the database here I can store millions of record, and retrieval will be very easy. Even I can perform very complex query which can answer questions like how many people working in which department, and then who is earning like maximum salary, which employee is getting, then for each skill set how many people I have. If I'm keeping gender information, then I can find out how many people in each gender, what is the ratio. So all these things, it's very easy when we store this data in database. Now I hope like you got idea that keeping data it's basically it is served two purpose. One is storage and second is retrieval. Now let's see here. We have these tables, and if I will expand here in the left side, there is address table. In the columns I can see these many columns are there, and for department I have 3 columns, and I inserted few data in department table so that we can directly jump and start querying this data. So I will delete all of these, and then let's start with SQL query. So one thing is, I wanted to select all the record, all the rows from this table, and all the columns, everything I wanted to select from this department table. So in that case it will be select keyword, better to keep keyword in capital. So I can say select star from, and then table name I will keep it in small, public dot department. So all the keyword we are keeping in capital and others are in small. So select a star means selecting everything, all the row, all the columns. So let's run this, and here we can see we have 5 different departments are there: reporting, AI, data engineering, AI. And for AI there are exact 2 record, exact same 4 and 5. Now if requirement is like I don't want to select everything, I just want department name. In that case, here I have to write department name. Then if I'll run it, see I just got department name. I'm not getting everything, just department name column I got here. Now second is I want department name and department description. Then put comma here and write department description. Run this and you can see we are getting department name and description. Now let's say I just wanted to know unique value in department. So how many unique value I have? Reporting, AI and data engineer. These are the 3 unique value. So for that I have to give one prefix here, that is distinct. So distinct if I'll write, and this is also keyword, so I need to write it in capital. Distinct. So run this and see I'm just getting unique value here, reporting, data engineer, AI. Now I wanted to get the unique value in combination of 2 different columns. I will keep both of these query here, and when you are writing SQL query, always give semicolon. I'll put it here at the end, so that I know like this is one query, this is the another query. So here I will keep select a star and just select this one. I will run this and see here I just wanted to get a unique combination for department name and description. So these 2 are duplicate. So for that department name comma it will be department description. If I'll run this one, we'll get only unique value with these 2 combinations, like data engineer, ETL, AI LLM, reporting. So in this video we learn a little bit about how to select the data, if I want to select everything, or I want a unique value of one particular column. These things we learned in this video.